Hi, this is Hunter. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to create a Java application from start. In the previous tutorial, I created a very simple application that accepts user input using the scanner and concatenate that user input with hello to print on the console hello, then plus the name that was accepted through the console. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate to you how I created the project. Okay, so basically what you do is that in your Eclipse, you just go to File, here, and the File menu, and then click New, go to New, under New, choose Java Project. Okay, and then name your project to whatever name you want to call it. Okay, I'll name it Getting Started. Name mine Getting Started, like this. Okay, then click Next, and from there you can just click Finish. This will create your Java project, okay, by just doing that. And from there I am going to right click on my project, then New Class. Okay, New Class, then a pop-up menu will appear like this. Then I'm going to create a package for this class, com.solutions. Programming solutions. Okay, and then I'm going to call my class, well, it's going to be Start Tutorials. Okay, and then I'm just going to finish. Okay, let me increase the font for you guys. Yes, and then this is the class that we just created. It has nothing in it. You can see that the class has got an access modifier. This is just an access modifier, and then this is going to be the keyword for creating a class in Java, and this is the class name. This parenthesis denotes the start and the end of the class. Okay, every attribute method that belongs to the class will be within these two parentheses. For example, if we just create a variable int count was 0, 9, like this variable should be within these two parentheses, like this, not outside the parentheses, like this. This will be an error. Okay, so it has to be within the class. If you create a method public void just do like this in Java, this method has to be within this class parenthesis, like this. Okay, within this method you can declare variables, but like this, and assign them to anything or initialize them to anything, but you can't put an access modifier to it, declare its access modifier. But this one is within a method, so you can create an access modifier for it, or can give it an access modifier because it's within this, the scope of it is within this method only. You can use it anywhere beside this method or outside this method. You can use it outside this method. Okay, so this is just a very simple method that doesn't do anything actually. So yeah, I hope that shows how to declare a variable in Java. Okay, let's create our main method. This is how you create a main method in Java. Void main, like this, string args. Now the main entry of the Java application is this method. Okay, let's print something to the console. like this. Let's print something. We just started. Good. And then let's run it. As you can see, we just started. Okay. Now, this method is the entry point of your application. If I create a method outside this, inside this class and say static string, good, like this. Okay. Then I just have to return hello, hello guys. Okay. So for me to invoke this method or call this method, I have to call it within. It has to be called within the main method directly or indirectly. What do I mean? Calling this method will and do something like this. Directly, when I say I'm calling it directly, I mean this. Okay, this is calling this method directly. If I call this method indirectly, this method can be called by another method which will be called by the main method. For example, public string static string call something. Okay, so these are the kind of things you will do when you develop your Java application. Then you just call this method. Okay, and then within that method, main method, I'll just invoke this one. Okay, let's do out dot reply printer like this. Okay, so either way, this is calling the method create directly. I'm calling method create indirectly through another method. Let's run our application and see what will happen. It should print hello guys twice. Okay, yeah, as you can see, so these are just the method invocations. Methods are just calling each other. Okay, I hope this gives you an idea of how to construct a Java application, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share the video. Have a wonderful day.